Hello guys, we're back. Sorry for my bad voice. I'm kind of losing my voice, but we're back with another video. We got HW Exotics, Red Jaguar, McLaren, Aston Martin, Lamborghini, and Renault. And we're doing an unboxing video today with these. This is nice. Renault. I'm not really super fans of the Renault, but we're gonna open this thing up. So yeah, let's go ahead and try and figure out how to open these things. Hold on. I'm gonna put this here. See if I can pop it up or something. We'll open. I'm gonna open. And I'll grab the camera and open it. Well, no, I'll grab the camera and drive the cars around. So I have my unedited videos. I don't know how to edit them. I don't have an editor or anything like that, so it's kind of hard. It's still hard. Hold on. Things are difficult. Never opened a 5-car box before, so bear with me, guys. I don't know whoever's watching this, probably not guys. Probably the one person's gonna be watching this is me. Red Jaguar. Okay, I'm gonna grab this camera. A Jaguar. Smooth. And then we got our McLaren over here. Oops. Focus. Yeah, the McLaren. Let me look real quick. I forgot what it was called. Yeah. You can look at the back of the box. McLaren F1 GTR. Nice. Smooth. We're good. Now on to the. I think this is Aston Martin. I think. I don't know if they're in a. Probably are. Nice. Smooth. Sorry if there's bad video quality. I'm recording this on my iPhone because I don't have a computer and stuff like that. And a Lamborghini. I saw the Lamborghini in there and I was like, you know, I gotta get it because I've got 3 Lamborghinis. And one of them is not really called a Lamborghini. It's a police car, but it's a Lamborghini in disguise. The Renault. I'm not really too big of a fan of these kind of cars, but they're pretty cool. There we go. All 3 of them. Now, after this video, I'm gonna go and show you my car collection. All the cars I've been saving up because not too long ago I lost a lot of cars. So one was a really long time ago. I had like 1,500 cars. Lost all of them. So I've been building up my collection back up again. So these are the new cars I just got. And I'm gonna go make a new video after this one. See you guys. Have a great day. See you next time. Goodbye.